Hello everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your PubG account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your game launcher and make sure that you're inside the game for your PubG account. From the main home page, tap on this little icon right next to inventory at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, tap on settings. Now, at the bottom left, you'll be able to see a log out button. Give it a tap and confirm login out of this device, or if you want to log out of all the devices that you've logged in with PubG, then tap on this log out of all devices box and tap on OK, and you'll be able to log out from all of the devices this account is currently logged in with. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to the main homepage of PubG, which looks like this. That is how you'll be able to log out of your PubG account on a mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.